the management, staff and students of Auxilium School heartily welcome each and everyone to our Gandhi Jayanti celebration. Today, we commemorate the 151st birthday of Gandhiji. Gandhiji taught us about the importance of self-reliance, honesty and non-violence. We the Auxilians take the pledge to observe the same. He is known to propagate non-violence in his teachings, and the United Nations celebrate today as the International Day for Non-Violence. He believed in the Make in India concept long ago and therefore asked his fellow people to weave clothes through hand wheel called charka, which would make India self-sufficient. Honesty is the quality that we would like our Auxilians to imbibe and follow from this great man who is the father of our nation. So, come, join us in this marvelous and joyous occasion of celebrating Guruji's birthday.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Every man must decide whether he will walk in the light of creative altruism or in the darkness of destructive selfishness. Hope this light will enlighten our mind and heart in the right direction.
हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय।
Reading from the Holy Bible. The peace of God, which passes all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds to Jesus Christ. Those things which you have both learned and received and heard and seen in me, do, and the God of peace will be with you.
बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न च युक्तस्य भावना न च भयुक्ता शान्तिरशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम्. For an unsteady person there is no wisdom. For an unsteady person there is no meditation. For an unmeditative person there is no peace. How can there be happiness for a person without peace?
A reading from the book of Quran, chapter 5, verses 16. God guides with it whoever follows his approval to the way of peace, and he brings them out of darkness into light by his permission, and he guides them in a straight path.
Readings from Guru Granth. He himself is immaculate and pure. Those who serve him are honored. O Nanak, sing of the Lord, the treasure of excellence. Sing and listen, let your mind be filled with love. Your pain shall be sent far away, and let peace come to your home.
Wonderful indeed it is to subdue the mind, so difficult to subdue, ever swift and seizing whatever it desires. A tamed mind brings happiness. Let the discerning man guard his mind, so difficult to detect and extremely supple, seizing whatever it desires. A guarded mind brings happiness.
Mahatma Gandhi is the greatest apostle of peace the world has seen after Buddha and Christ. His notion of peace is centered on non-violence, individualism, soul force, and forgiveness. The world today is faced with plethora of conflicts of all types. Therefore, we see Gandhi's emphasis on universal brotherhood and peaceful coexistence has all-time relevance. His teachings are therefore the most upheld principles of patriotism, as also on ways and means to end various global conflicts. In fact, a true testimony of Gandhiji's teaching lies in the fact that mere good ends do not justify bad deeds. The world today emphasizes on human dignity and upholding the values of natural justice.
you.
yes, we can spread love together, change our country.
One day, Buddha was walking from one town to another with his disciples. This was in the initial days. While they were traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped there, and Buddha told one of his disciples, "I am thirsty. Please get me some water from that lake over there." The disciples walked up to the lake. When he reached it, he noticed that some people were washing clothes in the water. And right at that moment, a bullock cart started crossing the lake right at the edge of it. As a result, the water became very muddy, very turbid. The disciple thought, "How can I give this muddy water to Buddha to drink?" So he came back and told Buddha, "The water in there is very muddy. I don't think it is fit to drink." So the Buddha said, "Let us take a little rest here by the tree." After about half an hour, again Buddha asked the same disciple to go back to the lake and get him some water to drink. The disciple obediently went back to the lake. This time he found that the lake had absolutely clear water in it. The mud had settled down and the water above it looked fit to be had. So he collected some water in a pot and brought it to the Buddha. The Buddha looked at the water and then he looked up and said, "See, you let the water be. And the mud settled down on its own. You got clear water. It didn't require any effort." And the moral of the story is, in life, your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give it a little time. It will settle down on its own. You don't have to put any effort in to calm it down. We can judge and take the best decisions of our life when we stay calm.
Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India celebrated on 2nd October. This day is celebrated in the honor of the birthday of India's father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Internationally, this day is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence, as Gandhiji was a preacher of non-violence. He is a symbol of peace and truth. In his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji described his childhood and teenage years, his marriage with Kasturba at the age of 13, and a sheer dedication for his motherland. He has set a good example of simple living and high thinking. He was against the addictions like smoking, drinking, and non-vegetarianism. Gandhiji was a pioneer of truth and non-violence. He started the Satyagraha or non-violence movement for the Indian freedom struggle. He played a very significant role of achieving independence for India from British rule. He proved to the world that freedom can be achieved through the path of total non-violence. All the organizations throughout the country remain closed on this day. Special event is organized at Rajghat, New Delhi, where Gandhiji was cremated. People do prayers, pay homage and sing Gandhiji's favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram Patita Pavan Sitaram. We celebrate Gandhiji's birthday, highlighting his values, character, principle and philosophies. I Want to Be Like Bapu is put up by performers who are inspired to take up a specific profession when they grow up after being inspired by the life, teaching and character of Mahatma Gandhi. For instance, one performer wants to become a journalist and teach using Mahatma Gandhi's principle of journalism, and another wants to become a social worker to propagate selflessness which Gandhiji followed. His extraordinary qualities such as serving the society, selflessness, charity, honesty, truthfulness, non-violence, patriotism, compassion for animals, hard work, etc. are depicted here. And finally, apart from choosing any profession, inculcating Gandhiji's values in life will help us to become great human beings. It is interesting, fun and loving and creative way of paying homage to the legend and the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on the auspicious account of Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Hello friends, I want to be like Bapu. I want to be a journalist when I grow up. Gandhiji believed that the sole aim of journalism should be service. He believed that some advertisements can be misleading. He believed that newspapers are a powerful medium to spread ideas. He wrote free articles for newspapers as he considered journalism to be a service to the society. He was in charge of a newspaper called Indian Opinion to spread awareness among Indians in South Africa. At an young age, he was shy to speak at public gatherings, so he chose to write articles for English Weekly. In his lifetime, Mahatma Gandhiji has written many articles on various subjects like health, ahimsa, chairka, diet and independence movement. I am also passionate to write articles on various subjects to create an awareness among people and to be useful to the society. I want to be a journalist. I want to be like Bapu.
Hello friends, I am Rahul. I want to be like Bapu. I want to be a social worker when I grow up. Mahatma Gandhi did all his work by himself. He took care of his things. He drew water from the well. He washed his own clothes even when he was ill or cold. Gandhiji had the cleanest toilet. Even at the age of 76, he cleaned his own toilet. He wanted all Indians to have hygiene habits like him. He had adopted these habits right from a very young age, even when he went to study in the West. During the Gujarat plague, Bapu personally visited houses to inspect the toilets. He explained people how lack of cleanliness caused bacterial infection and even death during plague. To commemorate Bapu's 150th birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated the Swachh Bharat Adhyayam so that we can gift Mahatma Gandhiji clean and hygienic India. I have learned from Bapu to help others and serve the community. I want to be a social worker. I want to be like Bapu. Thank you.
Dear children, it's now time to do an activity as a part of a week-long celebration that will inspire the world to advance towards achieving peace. The last date for submission is 9th October 2020. The first activity is for classes 7th to 10th. Children, you have to dream about a peaceful world. What would it look like? How can we work towards achieving this? Perform any activity of your choice and record a short video of 1 minute and post it in the link that is shared in the class groups. The second activity is for students from classes KG to 6th. Dear children, you can create any form of an art on the theme Day of Peace. This can be a poetry, a song, music, paintings about peace, plays, comedy skits, or anything else that you can think of. Your imagination is your limit. You can post your pictures or recordings. Please note that the recordings should be less than 1 minute. We have come to an end of this celebration. Thank you for joining us in the celebration of peace and remembering our Bapuji. I wish that you have a peaceful day ahead. Let's not forget our takeaway of today's celebration.